How are you doing? Today I was trying to get the Stihl running because that wouldn't do nothing. And let's see, I think it's a fs45, fs45, and I'd put ether in it, it would start up. Once I put a mix in, gas and oil mix, the gas tank, and primed it, the only thing I would see is smoke. It wouldn't do nothing. And I tried the carburetor and all that. Yeah, it was getting gas. And I bought this Stihl from a tractor show for $20. So I want to know what it could be. And see, $20. And because the guy said, yeah, it'd run on ether, but he couldn't, use it. So I worked on one of these in the day and found out it was the same problem. What the problem was, and I'll show you. The problem was, inside here is your exhaust. Okay? Well, right here, it's a 5/8 ratchet end socket that it takes. You can see how gobbed up that screen is. What I usually do is I'll burn that crud off, or I'll eliminate that screen altogether. Okay, so if your Stihl won't start, don't matter if it's chainsaw, weed whacker, whatever. If it got one of those things on it, the shop's going to charge you about $50. Well, we fixed it, and all they might have done is blow it off, well, with a propane torch. But as soon as I took that thing out, instant start. So if you got the same problem as the one I had, take a 5/8 socket, get that thing out, and see if it starts. Guarantee it will. You have a good day, and thank you again for watching.